fix Safari Clear History button grayed out. Now I'm here in my Safari app, and if I'm going to go ahead and open this one right here and then look for the history, you can see that the clear button right here is grayed out and I can't really press that one. The same thing if we are going to head over here on the settings and then we're going to go ahead and look for the Safari down here. If I were to open it and then go down here to clear the history, you can see that I still can't do that one, and I'm going to show you how to get this fixed. Now, in order for us to fix this one, let's just go ahead and close this. I'm going to hit the settings, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the screen time. So this one right here, I'm going to click this one, and then I want you to go ahead and look for content and privacy restrictions. So I'm going to click that, and we're going to go ahead and look for something. Okay, this one, content restrictions. I'm going to open it. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and look for the web content. Go ahead and click this one. And yeah, just go ahead and set this one to unrestricted access, just like so. Now, if you're going to go back there earlier to our Safari, let's go ahead and look for it here. I'm going to open it, and down here, you can see that the clear history button has now been restored. Now, the same thing if we are going to go to our Safari application. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tap this one, and as you can see, we are in the history. I can go ahead and click the clear button right here and basically clear this one just like so. And yeah, that is just how easy it is to fix the Safari clear button if it has been grayed out.